Guys, welcome back to Mac TV Market with another exciting, light, much interesting video here on the channel. So Davido scattered the streets of Ghana. Davido was in Ghana yesterday and the whole place was, set upside down. He's the street king and you cannot drag this with him. Anywhere at all in Africa, anywhere you see him around Africa, he's always fully represented, and the love is always, they show him the love massively. He was there with Zlatan Ibile and he performed at this particular concert. At the same time, he made some street driving. He loves street driving whenever he's in Ghana. I don't know why he doesn't do that in Nigeria, but anytime he's in Ghana, he must make sure he drive in the streets of Ghana on bike. He must drive on bike in the streets of Ghana. He was there, and I will bring in you the entire highlight here on the video. So please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share comments in the comment section, and enjoy the video.
Killed it. Quite killed it. Oops.
You say what? Hey twin. Accra Sports Stadium, we're coming. We coming. Ghana. Hey, give me.
There's no time. Let's go.
Give them a million style. That's a style.
Now I want to go hunt for the gates.
My niggas. Don't play all day.
Baked beans, bacon, fucking, hey, let's get this.
They still ringing the doorbell?
Yeah.
Somebody
That's their father's business. Just don't disturb yourself. They are too fine for all that noise.
Massive love there from the 30 BG fans in Ghana. It was crazy. The night was awesome, man. The love in Ghana is more of like the love in Nigeria, but yeah, the street is very, very military. The street is military, so just be careful out there, you know. And yes, they had a wonderful time all through, and yes, they were fully recognized everywhere in Ghana, and it was awesome to say yes. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section, because that's very important here. See you guys on my next video.